So this is the complete arm. I'm going to go over the parts with you real quick. This is the weight, it's the counterbalance. This is your camera battery. This is the camera battery strap right here. This is an extender that we use. So when you do your balancing act here, you know, when you extend it, your cable will still be there, you know. It's for that purpose. This is an adjustable ring, by the way, so that you can close it in or out, but just play with it a little bit and get used to it, because sometimes these things can really mess with your head. Now, this is the safety cable and the carabiner. This will go on top of the side pole when it's up in the air. Now, over here is the eddy lock. Now, this eddy lock right here, you just barely have to turn it, loosen it, and it'll spread these legs out like that. And then you tighten it, and it doesn't go anywhere. This thing is locked in place. It's very solid. And over here is the lighting control, and here's your light right here, and then your cell phone camera holder. Now the cell phone camera holder, let me close this up a little bit. The cell phone camera holder, be sure not to unscrew this to a point where it's going to come undone. You don't want to do that. But once you put the camera in, you can go like that. Now I'll show you the back. If you want to do portrait, you unscrew that and then you turn the camera up, and of course adjust it so it'll fit. But that is how you do that. So about these adjustable rings, this first one on your cell phone camera side, bring it out just a touch, tighten that back up just so you know it's solid. Do this first ring, this first adjustable ring, undo it and let it go out like that. So that way you have, it's all the way extended. And then you're going to extend this one just a little bit. Once you got it up in the air, that's when you can get it closer to the side pole. Now these adjustable rings over here, this one doesn't move, but this one does. So undo that one, and that way you have play, so you can get this counterbalance going here. And each of these rings, always use the first one closest to you, this one and then this one, okay? Now, on the other side, you've already put it out like that. So once you've got these arms extended, what you want to do is just take the eddy lock, undo it a little bit, and then extend it. Give yourself a little bit of a 45-degree angle, and that way it hangs like that. And don't forget about your controls. Make sure that they face down.